All right, we have a Montaigne player. I think in this scenario, you should be burning your smoke for the Aruni, but I'm just nitpicking here. He has a Platinum Charm, but this Platinum Charm is from Operation Steel Wave, which was in 2020. So this guy might be, like, pretty high rank by now. The Steel Wave Charms are beautiful. I love the Steel Wave Charms. I think your best course of action in this scenario is to smoke off the door, smoke off the rotation hole, and turtle plant with your back facing away from the door. Never mind, your teammate's dead. You're gonna have to kill them all now. Good aim! Wait! Good aim! Oh my god! You gotta go. You can't plan in this scenario. You have to go. You have... Punch him! Nice! 1v3 with Monty pistol. Actually impressive. Actually impressive. Actually impressive. I'm not even kidding. Wow, maybe like a 7 out of 10 clip? Not bad at all. 1v3 with Monty pistol is pretty rare.